Yeah, all excited. Is that what you're gonna do at the winner's circle? If you're just joining us, we're about to have an amazing race today. Give you a little bit of the course details. We have Mr. Wormy down there and Mr. Duck. Abigail, stay out of the water dish. I'm watching you. And we got Stitch on the water jug. Abigail disrupted the fans, so we'll fix the fans afterwards. Weather conditions are looking good. Yeah, she's definitely ready for the race. She'll probably be more nervous once she actually straps in and gets in the driver's seat, but we'll see how that goes. Ma'am, stop disrupting the track. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we have a clean, fair race. It will be timed, so hopefully in like a few more months we'll do a retiming to see how better her results are. But stay tuned. Welcome back. We're going to get live coverage here pretty soon on the actual track that's about to go on. The race. The actual race at the race Magnum. The actual race that's about to get going here probably in another hour because there's still administrative things that need to be sorted out. May have to take a nap according to Abigail. She's all jittery now, but by the time race comes, she'll probably change her attitude. Isn't that right, Abigail? You can say hi to the camera. We got it all tricked out with GoPros. Like I said, sponsors still pending. If you want to sponsor the race, just go ahead and yeah, all you have to do is leave a comment. Stuff like that. Yeah! Mr. Elephant will be off to our left, so we gotta keep him on the left side. Our fans have yet to find their way back to the actual starting line. Yep, they're definitely hitting the beer tent a little too early. We also have ongoing obstructions throughout the race, thanks to Magnum Depuppers and Detective Ralph, who is very concerned, like usual. Are you concerned about the race, Ralph? It'll be fine. I'll make you a medic, is that alright? And there's our racer right there. You ready for the race? As you can see, the vacuum cleaner is still out cleaning off the track. And we'll get going here pretty soon. There was a little bit of change to the actual track from the original start. We got some more fans lining up. Even Mr. Grinch showed up. Mr. Owl too. I think he's a safety officer at the meantime. But try to get this worm off the track. It's a little too slick, so I think we're just gonna have to try and avoid it. The dock that's supposed to be standing up. Apparently somebody's really ready for race day. Because it'll keep coming through. People are gonna hit me on my spelling of Abigail's name. It's supposed to be another A, but my alphabet flooring only gave me one A, so that's gonna do for now. Go to the starting line. This is gonna be excellent. Give me it.